Hello everyone, today I am going to show you Anaconda Snake Game. Previous time in my YouTube channel I show you create Canva using mm, V0 AI. Today using this V0 AI I create a snake game development. First I prompt here create a snake game that can play in I show you in expand mode. Create a snake game that can play in web browser. Add a head to the snake look like an apple. First time I give the it look like an apple, and then I make it anaconda. A instruction box pop up before the game begin, and after finish the game show the score and some cool gradient background and colors to make the game interesting. Add 4 arrows left, right, top, bottom that operates by mouse. Slow the speed of the snake to it in the left side and of the canvas at top and bottom arrows, and in the right side and left and right arrows. Animate the canvas area background, and later I use another prompt. Increase the canvas area to full screen. Then I add another prompt. Make the snake head and face look like anaconda and give it a nice tail. Add another. When the snake eats the apple, there should be a sound like eating, and the snake mouth should be open and off. Don't start the game until I click the start game button. Okay. Slow more and more the speed of anaconda snake. Next, add pause button to pause the game, and add restart button to restart the game. Restart button only show when I pause the game. Okay. I hope you understand the instruction and my prompt here. Okay. I expand it in full screen. Okay. Here you can see Anaconda Snake Game, and this is the instruction on this game. Okay. If done it yourself, it means if snake eat by himself, then the game will be finished. Okay. Now we can start the game. Okay. You can see it's like anaconda, and here it's apple. Okay. Then go to down, move here. You can see the score is 0 when the oh, even nice sound inside it score ahead, and the apple is here. Okay, now we go to down and right, and left, go to top, right, down, right, top, right. Okay, another right. You see score. I can pause the game. I can resume or start from the pause. Yeah. Okay, here you can see score 3. And if I pause here, it's pause. And if I want to restart the game, then it will restart the game from from the beginning. Okay, you can see it's restart. Okay. One more thing I have to show you, um, that is if a snake eat by itself, then the game finish. Score is 1, and now you can see score 3. Now if I resume the game. Now if a snake eat by itself, then the game is over. Okay, you can see game is over. My score is 3. Okay, I hope you understand. Thanks for the watching the video.